Look at your pencil. It is small. Meenu's pencil is big. Meenu, show me your pencil. Yes, this red pencil is short. This blue pencil is long. This red pencil is shorter than the blue pencil. This blue pencil is longer than the red pencil. Oh, Raja, what happened? Let me help you. Are you okay, Raja? Look at these. This is longer. This is shorter. Yes, Buzz. This blue one is longer than the yellow one. And the yellow one is shorter than the blue one. Let us see what Grandma is doing. She is cutting vegetables. Look here, Meenu. This is longer. This is shorter. Look at the tree, Meenu. It is longer than this plant. Buzz, that tree is taller than the plant. It is wrong to say longer. Oh, the tree is taller than the plant. And the plant is? The plant is shorter than the tree. Look at our cow. She is taller than the calf. And the calf is shorter than the cow. Meenu, you are taller than Cheenu. Cheenu, you are shorter than Meenu. Hee hee. Meenu, help me, help me. Oh, Buzz, are you okay? I am fine. This trunk is thick. Yes, Buzz, the trunk of this tree is thicker than the trunk of this plant. The trunk of this plant is thinner than the trunk of this tree. Oh, now I know. Thicker and thinner. Meenu, your hair is thicker than Grandma's hair. And Grandma's hair is thinner than your hair. That's right, Buzz. Look at this rope. It is thicker than the thread. The thread is thinner than this rope. Meenu, I can carry this leaf, but I cannot carry this big book. Why? Because the book is heavy. The leaf is light. The book is heavier than the leaf. The leaf is lighter than the book. Heavier? Lighter? Yes! Look at this feather. And look at this apple. This feather is light. And this apple is heavy. The apple is heavier than the feather. And the feather is lighter than the apple. Hey, Cheenu, look at this fruit. It is very, very, very heavy. Buzz, it is the heaviest. Oh, heaviest.
Yes, Buzz. Look at these 3 things. A leaf, a book, and a box. Do you know which is the heaviest?
Yes, Meenu. The box is the heaviest.
And the leaf is the lightest. Now there are 4 things. Let us see which is the heaviest and which is the lightest. A feather, a book, an apple, a box.
I know, Chinu. The feather is the lightest and the box is the heaviest.
Right, Buzz. Look! Grandma has vegetables. Let us see which is the longest and which is the shortest.
Chinu, this is the longest one and this is the shortest.
Look at these pencils. The yellow pencil is the longest and the red pencil is the shortest.
Look, Meenu, Raja is chasing the chicks.
Raja, don't chase the chicks. Come here.
They are near their mother now. Look, the hen is the tallest and this sweet yellow chick is the shortest.
Hey, Buzz! Come here. Don't buzz near the chick's ears. Look, you are the shortest.
But see, I can touch the tallest tree.
Buzz, come down. Come down quickly. Come, let us go inside. Grandma will comb my hair now.
Meenu, you have the thickest hair and Grandma has the thinnest hair.
Look at these 3 ropes. This red one is the thickest rope. And this yellow one is the thinnest rope.
What is Meenu doing?
Oh, she is seeing how long the mat is.
Meenu, how do you do it?
Look here, Buzz. This is my foot. So, I keep walking like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the mat is 6 footsteps long.
But how can I do it? I don't have a long foot.
Come here. Let us do it with a pencil. Let us see how long this table is.
With a pencil?
Let us put this pencil like this on this table. Now let us do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this table is 10 pencils long.
Hey, Chinu, this is fun. Look, this book is 1, 2 pencils long. I can do it. I can do it.
Look, we can also do it with our hand.
With our hand? How?
Look at this book. This book is 1,
2
spans long.
2 spans long? Chinu, can you also do it?
Okay, we will do it for Raja. Raja, come here. He is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spans long.
But I can't do it with my hands. Can I try with my wings?
Oh, Buzz, stop it!
Friends, you can also use your hands, feet, pencils or rulers to see how long things are. It's lots of fun.
Parrot does not know which is shorter and which is longer. Will you please help Parrot? You have to answer loudly. Red pencil is shorter. Yellow pencil is longer. Blue stick is shorter. Green stick is longer. Pink rope is shorter. Blue rope is longer. Red chili is shorter. Green chili is longer. Will you tell butterfly which is the longest and which is the shortest? Yellow bat is the shortest. Red bat is the longest. Green ladder is the shortest. Pink ladder is the longest. Blue spoon is the shortest. Brown spoon is the longest. Now let us help Buzz find out which is taller and which is shorter? Tree is taller. Plant is shorter. Red building is taller. Green building is shorter. Bird wants to know which is the tallest and which is the shortest. Friends, let's help Bird. Will you answer loudly? Red building is the tallest. Blue building is the shortest. Green tent is the tallest. Yellow tent is the shortest. Will you tell which is the thinnest and which is the thickest? Green drum is the thinnest. Yellow drum is the thickest. Blue pencil is the thinnest. Red pencil is the thickest. Orange brush is the thinnest. Green brush is the thickest. Let us find out which is the heaviest and which is the lightest. Watermelon is the heaviest. Jamun is the lightest. is the heaviest? Pin is the lightest. Drum is the heaviest. Mug is the lightest. Will you measure the length of your classroom with your feet? How many feet long is it? Friends, will you use your hand to measure your notebook? How many handspans is it?